Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ni ne naku da wanku masoyinku haske. Before in fara poemin da ke nan ganna dan read, happy birthday to kakanmu National Chief Imam of Ghana baki daya. And then poemin ga is about him, written by Dr. Sheikh Yahayal Amin. Before that, in the year 1969, Sheikh Yahayal Amin was in Nigeria, and then ya zo da kwana, shegan kaman ya kasa bacci bai yayi kwana, and was asking himself me yasa haka, shi ya tuna da wanda ne yake son shi. But before that, bari in buka muku audio ga.
Wanda ya ce ya fi ni son malam ya yi irin wani.
Ba komi ba ne, within some past years, waɗansu sun doki different mentality kan Sheikh Yahayal Amin. Wallahi ba ruwan shi, kai tunani abin da kai tunani, muna son malam. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم. Let's get into it. This poem is entitled Fuyudat al-Rahman, meaning Floods of Mercy, written by Dr. Sheikh Yahayal Amin, eulogizing his teacher and mentor. Allahu Akbar. So with remembrance of people causes me excessive blame. You stay without sleep, Yahayal Amin. Yes, I remembered the one I love, into bracket, National Chief Imam, that I got strengthened with for many years. That is my mentor, successor of my love, favorite of the beloved, of the Lord of the worlds. He is Osman, a doctor of the thoughtful hearts. He is a philanthropist, pious and perspicacious, generous and bounteous, protector of deen, lamp of knowledge, gate of understanding, eliminator of grievances, away from those seeking refuge, orally eloquent, brave and courageous, gracious and bountiful, who connects those who make wusul, into bracket, to know the reality of Allah. He is articulate in speech, a crown of honor. He is a venom of the rascals, expect the righteous. So Osman is a rainfall, an embodiment of kindness in manifold. He is a guide towards Allah in every moment. He cleanses hearts like Isa and Musa, into bracket, messengers of Allah. He leads the sun with a solid robe. When a murid is in need, he comes to benefit from him. With the word, take what you want, says the helper, Imam Osman Nuru Shaributu. Would he rest when the wind blew up? He drives comfort in loving people. He respects the leader, a soluble companion, a precious and priceless spar, an impenetrable fortress. He had protected me since infancy, both on the land and on the sea. Allahu Akbar. May he reward him with goodness, Lord of the worlds. O Lord of creatures, help out the beneficial, founder of the organization, Ansaruddin. O Allah, safeguard him and bless him with a hair. Allahu Akbar. And he is the one. Allahu Akbar. O Lord, help him, for you are the helper. And do not forget my Lord, friend of my trainer. He is Malam, into bracket, Malam Harun, my love, trustworthy friend. Same goes, my Lord, to the love of my heart. And to the one who protects me and the one who already helps. My composition ends here, and it seemed to be the end of it. Allahu Akbar. And this is without conceal. Into brackets, no hiding. He is hiding nothing. For the trustworthy Creator, your litany, into brackets, prayers, last always upon the one who is called Ahmed, the seal of the entire messengers, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his households and companion, and Barham and yes, my love, and Osman, into brackets, National Chief Imam, Doctor of the Tranquil Hearts. This poem was translated by Hussein Baba Al-Wais. Once again, happy birthday to our beloved grandfather, father of the nation, father of the Ummah. I own his name, by the way, Osman. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.